As per the organizational structure and the governance principle, independently constituted board was available for consultation and guidance on organizational matters. Please explain as to whether above consultation with the Siddha Purush violates the principle of governance.
Mm-hmm.
I would like to state that all discussions and guidance that are sought from board and or other available experts is always done. As an MD and CEO, before I am able to come to a perspective of my view only, the guidance is sought. It is only to enable me in my role to have a primary view. As we know, senior leaders often seek informal counsel from coaches, mentors, or other seniors in this industry, which are all purely informal in nature. In a similar strain, I felt that this guidance would help me perform my role better. Being spiritual in nature, there would never be a question of any confidentiality or integrity issues being compromised for the organization. There would be no question of any personal gain because of the information shared. Hence, felt that this would help me perform in the best interest of the organization.
A mentor doesn't give you such advices so
Exactly.
specific, like
Hmm.
as like I know the story of Microsoft where Steve Ballmer and Steve Jobs, not Steve Jobs, no, and Bill Gates used to, guide Satya Nadella through
Hmm.
the process, and it's a good mentorship wherein they just give you advices from the past experiences, but not exact decision to hire this person, do
Hmm.
this. It's crazy, and she's accepting that she's giving inputs to this
Exactly.
guy.
And that is what the point is that अगर तुम्हारे पास mentors है from the industry तो तुम उनको छोड़ के some third person को तुम कैसे approach कर सकते हो? No matter what spiritual religious preferences you have,
Exactly.
but it's the matter of integrity, confidentiality that is
Of course.
definitely there.